Hi guys, I'm out here in the park. So tell me, what do you do on your days off? How do you spend your days off? Do you just chill in the house, or do you? I don't know. Just tell me what do you do on your days off. But for me, today I chose to leave the house, do some cycling in the park, and also enjoy nature. Right, that's my bicycle on the floor there. I dropped my microphone, just picked that up. I enjoy nature. You see those duck? Yeah, nature, so real. The birds, the ducks, the trees, the sun, everything. Nature. I came here to appreciate nature and also to cycle. So, what do you do on your days off? Let me know. 'How am I getting on here in the park? Well, so good. Grabbing all the vitamins I can get from the sunlight, appreciating nature, cycling also, like I said. Anyway, I've got a story to share, true life story. Well, the other day I took my food to work, kept it in the fridge, the welfare fridge, you know, and started work. Fast forward lunchtime, I opened the fridge, poof, my food was gone. How did this happen? Who took it? Who ate my food? And I started thinking, had this imaginary, pictures in my head of this and that blaming people in my head. Could be this person and that person. Well, after a mini investigation, it so turned out that it was me that ate my sandwich. I was the mini thief that ate my sandwich. I forgot that after I dropped it off in the fridge that morning, I went back there and helped myself with it. Can you imagine? The moral of that story is that never trust yourself around snacks. 5 days in a week, 365, 366 days in a year. We work, we work, and we work. So take our time, at least, to enjoy yourselves, like what I'm doing now. Life is beautiful, life is worth living. So Why not leave it to the best? I'm enjoying myself. I do this sometimes. I know we have to work. I know we have to spend time with family, right? But I also know that I need to stay healthy. I need to be in the right frame of mind to maintain a good relationship and also to be the man of the family. Yeah, so I'm giving myself a treat and I enjoyed doing this today. Leave in the comment section how you enjoy spending time by yourself on your days off. Yeah, not necessarily on your days off. How do you enjoy spending time on your own? Right. In life, we learn. In life, we teach each other. It might not be what works for me that works for you, but at the end of the day, we are still saying the same thing. Give yourself a break. Enjoy yourself. Yeah, that is it. So I'm going to be cycling back home. Where I'm at now is not very far from the house. All right. So I'm going to cycling back home. And see you guys on our next video. Right. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Share, like, and subscribe so that you get notified we post a video. All right, guys. I'll see you on our next one. Bye.